Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to customize subtitle appearance by size and color on your Sharp Google TV. So let's go over to settings. Now here scroll down until you guys see the system, go to accessibility, and here go to captions. Now here we have the caption style. We need to scroll down until we see customized. And here we can change the font family, text color. Let's say I'll change it to the magenta. Now text opacity, so we can set it to 25% or 100. Now we can change the edge type for like the outline, maybe raised, and then press. Now here we have the edge color. We can change it to white or maybe magenta too. No, it looks bad. So let's change it to red. Now we can show background or disable the background completely. So I think it's best to not use the background and change the text color to something like black. And this is how you guys can customize it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.